Building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme Rumham, and this is a Building an Indie Business podcast recorded in the Indie Business Studio. Okay, so today is another Shopify tutorial. So, discount codes are very important. So, I'm going to show you how to create a discount code on Shopify. Okay, so you get your Shopify homepage. You've created your store. You've created products for that store. You have an email list, and Black Friday's coming up, right? So you want to send people a discount code. So how do you create that discount code? Well, I'm gonna walk you through it. So you're at the Shopify homepage, which I'm now told is the Shopify admin page. You go all the way down to discounts, which is right. It's probably one of the last ones. It's actually changed since I last logged in. Anyways, so homepage, orders, products, customers, finances, analytics, marketing, discounts. What's up? Okay, so now it'll show you a list of all the discount codes that you've used. But if you're listening to this, you probably don't have any discount codes. So you can schedule them. There's active, expired. So at the top left, there's create discount. So you click that, and a lot of different options come up. Select discount type. You can do amount off products, amount off order, buy X, get Y, free shipping. So let me run you through all of them, actually. So amount off products, product discount. Click on that. Then there's discount code or automatic discount. And what this means is that are you giving a discount automatically to anyone who buys this product or, has a purchase, or are they going to have to type it in? So I'm going to do the discount code. Oh, so after you decide that, and I chose discount code, you put in your the code. So I'm going to do a Black Friday discount. So it's going to be BF 2022. So this is what the people need to type in to get the discount. And then there's value. So percentage or fixed amount. And this is how much people can get off your product. So for this Black Friday, we're going to do 10%. And then applies to specific collections. So you create different collections for your products. So for smashing themes, my collections would be WordPress or Shopify. WordPress or Shopify. Which theme do you want? Or you can attach it to a specific product. Like, so I could do tunes. And anyone who buys the tunes theme can use the discount code BF 2022 and get a 10% discount on products, right? Yes, and then so I'm going to leave it blank, and that means that any product will be able to have that discount applied to it. Okay, and then minimum purchase requirements, no minimum purchase requirements, or you can say, hey, people need to spend $10, or minimum quantity of items, people need to have 3 items, but no minimum requirements for this. And then customer eligibility, specific customer segment, specific customers, or all customers. So specific customer segment browse, and you could apply to abandoned checkout carts in the last 30 days, customers who have made purchases more than once, your email subscribers, customers who haven't purchased, and email subscribers. That's an error on my end. So I'm just going to put email subscribers because I like them the most. Minimum discount use. Limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. Limit 1 use per customer. I'm going to put limit 1 use per customer because we've had an issue. And then via combinations, this is new, and it even says new. BF 2022 can be combined with other product discounts, shipping discounts. Okay, so then you can set an end date. So the end date would be, let's just, oh wait, hold on. I need to look something up first. Okay. Give me the day. Okay. So let's just say the discount ends on that day. Save. Oh, there's. Okay, that's weird. Apply. Okay, it's saying that I have an error that specific collections must be added. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to browse, and there's a small amount of collections, so I'm just going to click all of them. That's weird. I've never had to do that, but here we are. Maybe it's the type of discount I did. Okay. Then let's create another discount. Oh, and you see, hold on. Percentage, no minimum requirements, customer eligibility, all customers. I don't know. I think the design changed, and that just messed me up because I did the same thing to everyone, and it just didn't bother me. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so that was the amount off products. Oh, that's what happened. So I did amount off products. And usually what I do is I do amount off order. So then we do BR. Here, I have to delete that code because I don't need that one. So I'm going to delete it. Actions, delete discount. Okay. So that's for a specific set of products. And that was amount off products. So now we're doing amount off order. And this is just like what's in the checkout that someone has, their cart. So again, discount code, automatic discount. I'm choosing discount code, BF 2022, percentage, 10%, 15%. No minimum purchase requirements, no minimum requirements. All customers, limit number of times this can be used in total. Yes, I'm going to say once. Limit use to one person. Shipping, combinations, discount code can be combined with shipping discounts. I'll accept that. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. And okay. And that's how you create an amount off discount. And then let's do free shipping first. I'm gonna name it, so you name it, and I'm gonna name it no ship. No ship. And then it says by countries now. So all countries, or you can select countries. And I assume that these are the countries that you set when you say, I want to sell in these countries. Okay, so I'm just going to choose the US. Okay, added. Shipping rates, exclude shipping rates over a certain amount. $20. I'm actually not even gonna, doesn't matter. Minimum purchase requirements again, no minimum. Customer eligibility, all customers or specific customers. Browse. Oh, and then it's individuals. And then specific customer segment. Email subscribers. Limit max discount use, limit. And no ship can be combined with nothing else. Then we set the end date. I choose my end date for all the way over here. Save it. Okay, and that's the shipping discount. Then we have the buy X, get Y. This is buy one, get one free. So we can just do BOGO. 22. Okay. Customer buys minimum quantity of items, minimum purchase amount. So minimum quantity would be 1. And then you could choose a specific product or a specific collection. So to save time, let's just do collection, then browse, then choose this one. Yes. And then that's what the customer buys. And then the customer gets one product at a specific collection. Browse the collection and then just the second collection. And you can choose at a discounted value or free. So you can do 5%, let's say, or 15. I wonder, I've actually never done this as a promotion. I wonder how that would do. Set a maximum use, so once, specific customer segment or all customers, but specific customer segment, email subscribers, because I like them the most. Limit number of times this discount can be used in total, once. Limit to 1 use per customer. And this is tracked by email. So if I register and I do supremerumham@gmail.com and I create my own customer with that email and I buy it, I can't use the code again. I'd have to create a new email for that. I'd also have to know that that's how this works. So, yeah. Okay. Combinations. I'm not going to say it can be combined with anything. This is a good deal on its own. Set the date. Set the end date. Save discount. Okay. So that is Shopify discount codes. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.